This is a handle, a book-shaped box with a handle. What good does it do with the handle? It saves the cost of a matching paper bag. It can be made without a paper bag, and it can be made into a gift box set. This is a logo customized by the customer, and inside this box, which is a welcome gift box, it includes some keychains and a custom logo of the customer. And there is also a water bottle, which also has the same logo. There will also be a card holder, and there is also a pen, which also has a custom logo of the client. And this one is a phone stand, which is a folding phone stand with the customer's logo on it. This whole set is also purchased by our company together. And the same will be all the products into the box, and then ship them together. Packaging and shipping, our entire assembly is also assembling service, and even warehousing services are also provided. When the customer wants to ship, we can ship it at that time. The cost of assembly is also relatively advantageous, because after we purchase all the products, we can control the quality of a supplier. We will do quality inspection for each product after the quality inspection and assemble them into the box, ensuring that the goods we send arrive at the customer's hands intact. And here, Netto also uses pole cotton, but it has a layer of velvet on the surface, which feels softer, and the whole box is black. We use a scratch-resistant process, so during transportation or during use, there will be no scratches. Here we use 2 silk ropes, a design of 2 rope handles, because considering that in the process of mentioning, it has a certain weight, so 2 ropes and 2 ropes, it will be safer. The load-bearing capacity of this box is very good.